Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down two of my trades that I took on NAS100 and GBPUSD and EURUSD that I'm in right now. So as you can see, this is gonna be a risk-free, not this one. This is a risk-free trade. Even if I get stopped out, like it's gonna be at break even, I don't care because I already took my profit at for NAS100 and I'm gonna break it down for you. But before that, I wanted to show you the results of Gold EA Incubator on this $3,000 account, and we are up 132% in profit since April 5th, and today's date is May 23rd. So just over a month, we are up 130%, and we deposited another $4,000. Another $1,000 on $4,000, but the profit is $1,330. And this is the second account that we have for $3,000, and we installed it in April 15th. Same amount, 43.07% in profit, which is $721, completely automated. We didn't do anything ourselves. Everything was done hands-free, and we've been able to gain this amount of profit. Okay, let's just start with this trade that I took on NAS100, which was a really cool one. I'm gonna do a little bit of a breakdown for you. And here, when I noticed that we had multiple breakout structures towards upside for NAS100, this one, and this one, I noticed that the trend of the market is going to be changed. So, and the way I found it is that, you know, because it's really obvious, consolidation and then a breakout structure happens towards upside. So that's why I decided to look for buy opportunities, and I did. Guess what? Because we have a high probability demand zone right here. And by the way, I got stopped out at break even for EURUSD, but I'm in profit for $314. And I got a bad luck in GBPUSD. I got a profit in NAS100 that I want to show you, that I'm showing you right now. This is a trade, and this is a trade that I got stopped out from GBPUSD. It was a bad luck, very bad luck. Perfect trade, perfect setup, just a bad luck. And yeah, I'm gonna break it down for you. So the way I did it was to I identified the high probability demand zone right here, and then I noticed that you know, we had this big move towards upside, and the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. So it means that there is a space between this candle and this zone right here. So I was just waiting for the price to tap into this zone, and it did. And right here, I put my buy stop above the previous candle and my stop loss here, and my TP was right here. So I'm not sure whether it was this one. No, it was this one right here, this one right here. And then my stop loss was here, my TP was here, because if you pay attention to this side, we still have this high probability supply zone from here to here, because this is the first candle drop, the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. Okay, so this was my target, and what happened was it triggered my entry and then after that I closed my position right here, right at 1-to-1. And my entry, by the way, my entry was not here, it was way lower. My stop loss was here, yes, and then I closed my profit right here, 1-to-1. It was a beautiful trade and made me 200 pounds, 206 pounds. I compensated my loss, and this is a break even, you know, 12 pounds is not a big deal. But as you can see, EURUSD was going crazy. This was my trade on NAS100, which I really liked, and EURUSD was a really good one as well. But you know, I kind of got a little bit greedy, because if my trade, this trade, smashed my TP, I would have passed my free trial on a $10,000 account, which I did it for fun, by the way. I only trade with Gold EA Incubator, so I just did it for fun. I wanted to make a video, but you know, I got stopped out at break even. I pass it tomorrow, which is easy for me. So this was the first one, and the reason I took this trade was because of this high probability supply zone here, and then I got this candle. I had my stop loss, my seller stop, right below this candle, and my stop loss was below this candle, and I could have easily taken a profit, a good profit right here. So as you can see, this is a 1-to-1 trade that I could take, but I got, you know, a little bit greedy, because first of all, we have a gap right here. we have a high probability demand zone. So I was sure about this, that okay, so I'm going to wait for the price to tap into this level because we have an obvious high probability demand zone. So I'm not going to close it manually. But if I close it manually, I would have been up for $100 more or 100 more pounds, but I didn't because I wanted to wait so the price can reach this level, and then I could easily get out of the market with 2.5% profit, which I would have passed my FTMO challenge. But that's totally fine. We didn't lose anything, but just 12 pounds in total. We are in profit. Yesterday was profit. So let's see what happens tomorrow if I can actually pass it, which should be only one trade. So this is what happened, guys, and then it came back, stopped me out. I'm super happy that it didn't leave my stop loss right here, otherwise, as you can see, this is what would have happened. So this one is invalid right now. We have this one valid, plus we have another high probability demand zone that got added to this. So if the price wants to tap into this level, guys, what I probably do is that I probably won't take it, and the reason is that we have two back-to-back high probability demand zones, which could be dangerous for this one right here, because there is a high chance that it gets broken, get disrespected, and then it tap into this zone, we get a confirmation, and then we get a buy towards upside. This is something that happens a lot, guys. So this is for EURUSD. Let me show you the trade that I got stopped out of from on GBPUSD, which was really bad luck, guys, and I don't know, but it was a good experience at the same time. So let me get back to 8 a.m. where I got my trade. If I remember where I took it, that would be awesome, but I quite didn't understand what happened. It was a sell trade for sure. It wasn't buy trade, but I can't remember where I took it. Let me see. Yeah, I was just searching for it on GBP never mind. So I found it, guys. GBPUSD 5-minute time frame. It was around 8:10 in the morning, New York Eastern Standard Time. So what I saw was really quick. It was a really quick one, but it was a right one. So I noticed that we had this gap right here because of this candle right here. See, when this candle dropped, I noticed that we have a high probability supply zone here, from here to here. But this gap got filled in really quickly. And the way it happens is that the next candle after that literally tapped into the zone and filled in the gap. So what I did was I put my stop loss, my seller stop here, and my TP, my stop loss was right here, and my TP was right here. I think it was right here. So this is what happened. I think yeah, it triggered my entry, came down further, and I got lucky that I put my stop loss here, not above the candle, because I would have got stopped out, but I didn't. And then the price was coming down and down and down and down. Let me show you where it got reversed. Right here, guys. My TP was right here. My TP was right here. It literally came down 2 pips away from my TP, reversed, and it stopped me out like this. And this is exactly what happened. Here it is. See, I took my position here. If I zoom in, you can see it. I took my position here right after this close, because this is a high probability supply zone. It got filled in quickly. I entered my trade here. I had my stop loss here. My TP was right here. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Look how crazy it was. This candle to this TP right here. I don't know. I'm not sure if you can see this small dash right here, which is my TP, and see how much of a difference it is until it hits it. Literally less than a peep. Less than a peep. It didn't enter, it didn't smash my TP, and then it reversed, it stopped me out. That's totally fine. I kind of compensated it with NAS100, but it was a very small profit for today. and also EURUSD, it was at break even. So if I wanted to close all these positions in profit, I would have definitely passed my FTMO with no worries at all. So that's it guys for this video. By the way, I use Profit Master Incubator to enter my trades, and for GBPUSD the way I did it is that, let's say that I wanted to take my sell stop right here and my TP here and my stop loss right here. So what I did was use Profit Master Incubator. You click sell, and then you bring down the white line here, which is your entry point, and it calculates your risk to reward ratio with 100% accuracy. And the way it does it is that you go to the setting tab, you go to inputs, you activate the automatic lot, and you tell it, you tell the program how much you're willing to risk, let's say 1.5%, and then it gives you that lot size based on your stop loss position that is going to risk 1.5%. So if I'm going to take my sell stop here, and my stop loss is right here. See, this is my stop loss. Look at this amount, guys. $154, which is 1.5% of my $10,300 account. And if I keep moving my stop loss, you see that the amount is going to be the same, but the lot size keeps changing. So it's 100% accurate that I don't have to calculate what lot size exactly I need to go for, because everything is right here. My entry point is right here, is clear. My TP is right here. It's going to give me, it's going to tell me exactly how much I'm going to profit, how much I'm going to lose if I want to, if it hits my stop loss, and all this kind of information. And then you press OK. You see that it opens my seller stop right here. So I'm not going to keep this one because I don't want to open a trade here, but this is how it works. Super quick. I'm not doing it manually anymore. I'm not using any website anymore because everything is automatic without needing me to do anything. And if you want to trade completely hands-free, guys, you know what to do. Drop your comment here below this video, or check out smartincubator.com. Grab your license for Gold EA Incubator. Get rid of market analysis if you don't want to analyze the market yourself, or you're tired of getting emotional for each and every single trade, because for an EA, emotion doesn't mean anything. But if you have any question, you know what to do. Thanks for watching this video, and see you on the other side.